What's up, guys? 4610 Wurtzer Avenue is the perfect first-time house, a downsizer, or that blank canvas that you've been looking for in an awesome Sherman Oaks location. Let's check it out. Hey guys, Alan Taylor Real Estate Group. Here's our newest listing in the coveted M Street pocket of Sherman Oaks. We're south of Moore Park, which is down there, north of Moore Park, and we're south of the freeway, which is way down there. This great pocket here. People can walk to M Street. This is a 7,800 square foot lot. 1939 traditional. As you can see, the homeowner has done a lot in terms of landscaping the front of this house. It's really beautiful. You got a nice wide driveway. Forgive the camera here as I'm bumping along. We're going to get to this house and show you all about it. So you can see the wrought iron gate there. Beautiful landscaping. Here's the front elevation of the home. You can see the windows that were redone. Most of the systems on this house have been redone. It's got an updated roof, heating and air, plumbing, electrical. All of it's been updated. This house has been lovingly cared for 20 years by the same owner, 20 plus years by the same owner. So over there to your right, you see the gate to the garage. And here we are coming up to the home. Here we've got this wrought iron gate and a flagstone walkway to the front. They put thousands of dollars into this property. This is decomposed granite here. I'm not exactly sure what kind of tree that is, but it's beautiful. There's a fountain with your little rock outcropping. Just lovingly cared for. Everywhere you look at this house, you can see that it's been beautifully maintained. And here you go. We got the yard again, and check out all the detail here. A little flagstone walkway right here. This is the start of a labyrinth, believe it or not. Check this out. You don't see this too many times on a property. I'm just going to take you on a tour of this labyrinth real quick. So just a fun little feature. Take you guys back to the front here. One more quick view. Here we go. The labyrinth one more time, just so you can see the full finish of the labyrinth. Camellia trees, which are really beautiful. Again, this flagstone entry. And then the fountain there. Oh, there's your gate right there, that automatic gate that goes to the side. And then here's your entrance into the house. You can see all the flagstone. All right, so here we go inside. It's got a nice wide entry there with stone tile flooring. That was bumped out actually by the homeowner to make it a little bit bigger. So you've got that nice and then here you go, the living room. There's a used brick fireplace right there, wood paneling. These are original oak hardwood floors that are actually in really good condition, but those can be sanded and refinished. They could obviously be replaced with wide plank engineering if you want. This is a detail of the fireplace. Check out the mantle. And there's a little bookcase there for built-ins. The house doesn't do it justice with it the way it's set up right now. You need to see it with furniture. It'd be really beautiful. There's a beautiful built-in there. That's the formal dining room. As you can see, this bay window area popping out here. So just a nice feature. There's the videographer. All right, so the kitchen's been, you got pocket doors right there. That's Shad. Say hi, Shad. Say hi, Shad. All right, so here we go. So this is the remodeled kitchen. It's really nice. It's in great condition. All custom cabinetry throughout. Granite countertops on the top. Those are in really, really nice shape. Butcher block island there. White appliances. Range hood. And this is open to the TV den area, which is actually really lovely. That's the area right there. They had a couch up against the windows and a TV. It set up really nice. This is the pantry here, which is fantastic. Beautiful condition, really nicely, beautiful cabinetry. Almost feels like it's in brand new condition, immaculate. The washer and dryer is also in there as well. I'm going to show you that. There they are. There's the washer and dryer. Stackable washer and dryer. And look at the windows. Like all the windows throughout are beautiful. They're wood clad. They're wood on the inside, and then they've got this aluminum look on the outside. Double-sided fireplace. Here's your little family room. Hard to envision, but you throw a couch up there. Great place to like read and just relax right off the kitchen. Double-sided fireplace right there, as we just talked about. And this looks like it was made to be, this looks like it was the outside at one point, but it wasn't. It's intentionally designed to be that way. So bedroom number 2 is over here. Again, wood floors. This is a full bathroom here, shower over the tub, which is off the second bedroom, which is right here. So fine size bedroom. It's got a closet. Now we're going to go back to the front. So sequestered on the other side of the street, this is the primary wing here. So this used to be a hallway there that would go all the way through into the bathroom, but it got closed off and it was made into the primary suite. So this is a good sized bedroom. Again, hard to tell without the furniture in there. Beautiful picture windows. You can see the camellias, which is lovely. Sorry about the blue wall coloring. And then here's the bathroom. So you got a double sink vanity, which is an upgrade for these 1939 homes. You've got a shower, frameless glass shower enclosure, good sized shower, and a walk-in closet. So to have all these features in a 1939 home is amazing. You can just basically remodel the existing footprint and have those modern amenities that you're looking for. The house can actually be pushed out on the left side. You can do a third bedroom. Speaking of outside, let's go ahead and take a peek. And here we go. So you got this big brick patio here, which is perfect for al fresco dining, patio chairs, lounging chairs. There's so much room here to put all your hangout space. And by the way, you can add on here, right? Look at all the space there where you can bump out. The pool's nicely pushed back. Here's your garage and your driveway and your gate. So nice wide driveway there. The gate opens up. Boom. You can pull your car down. You can park them here. You can actually convert this into an ADU or a pool house. Or park your cars in there, leave the gate closed and do this as an ADU like we discussed. So many options back here. Again, $7,800 on the lot. And here is that's an office. That's a detached kind of office that was a prefabricated, built on the property. Here's your PebbleTec pool, which is in beautiful condition. You can see all the coping around the pool. They spent a lot of money redoing this pool. And then here's your office. So it's got wood-like flooring, clean, little mini AC units, some nice little rafters, a ceiling fan. And then you got a nice view back out to the pool. So really a cool place to hang out and work. And then around the corner here, you've got all this extra room here. Beautiful tree here, gravel. So there's a lot of room on this property. Again, it's 7,800 square feet. Here's a view from the back corner. You can obviously build an ADU here and make it bigger and have a full-on ADU there. Here's another view of the pool from the back. There's your detached garage. That could be a pool house. So there's a lot of room on there. There's the rear elevation of the home. You can see the little awning. That was a bump out, by the way. New heating and air unit, new windows. You can see how beautiful the windows are. The seller spent a lot of money on this house. Not trying to show you the dirt there, but just trying to show you the quality vinyl windows. Lots of lovely brickwork. You can see the house in the background that's being built. This whole neighborhood in general is gentrifying. So great neighborhood to be in. Love the little guest house. The brick patio again. Sorry, just another little view here of your rear elevation of the house. Little rose bush there. Thank you guys for watching.